Hi, I'm Johanna Rothman, and this is an explainer video about one way to use fake animation in your presentation. So while this is an explainer video for effective public speaking, I'm actually using the ideas in Free Your Inner Nonfiction Writer because I thought it would be easier that way. This is my keynote presentation. So you can see I'm on a particular slide. Since this is a slide from my workshop, I do not have a slide number down here. I don't have the copyright. The copyright is all in the workshop itself, all that other good stuff. I'm also showing you the, in Keynote, you can look at just the slide by clicking by stopping this formatting thing, or you can open all of the formatting. I do not have any specific animation. That's the whole point of fake animation. So the first slide is the big idea, right? I said that in the book. This is the big idea. Now I have copied this particular slide. I have duplicated it and added different specifics on the left with the text. Notice that if I go to this first slide, there are no red circles. And now you can see I'm going to focus the audience and what I say for this specific first idea. And because I have copied this image, I have duplicated the previous slide, all of the other images are in exactly the same place. There is no animation, there is no transition. Now I go to the second thing. I have my red circle here. Again, I have my, this is the red circle. I suggest that you might want to focus with the title, and then the second part of planning is who has which problems. This is still the same fake animation. Then I always recommend to people they write without stopping for 15 minutes. That's the next piece. And then the cycling, right, where you can actually see once you have finished, you might want to cycle as you go. This is about clarifying ideas. However, you might want to reflect on your writing process. That's this next circle, and then continue to write forward. And then finally, if the piece is done, then you can say edit at the end. So this is all one way to do fake animation. I'll be back with another video about how to do the fake animation with blocking out other pieces.